Welcome from the market. I'm making rice pudding today, really classic British style, but I'm putting my own twist into it. Part of that twist is vanilla and nutmeg. Also, I want to make toffee apples, and I'll show you how to make those a bit later. I need to start with the rice. I'm using short grain rice. I'm going to use sugar, caster sugar, milk, whole milk, and free-range organic eggs. So, first of all, I need to kick-start with measuring off my rice. I'm going to put 100 grams of rice in, 300 millilitres of milk in. Now, a lot of rice puddings usually call for sugar in at this stage too, but I'm not going to put it in there. My rice puddings, I put in sugar to taste at the end. I'm going to put this whole vanilla pod in, split it down the middle, just scrape out. Anyway, let's get it in there. Put the stalk in too, put the whole thing in, and I'm going to show you how to caramelise sugar. I'm not going to measure this sugar, but I'm going to put a fair amount of sugar in. Literally, just get your caster sugar in there. Right, I need to add some water to my sugar. I need that to just boil away. What I'm doing here is I'm taking a pastry brush and I'm just brushing down the sugar off the edges of the pan because I don't want that to catch. And this rice is coming up beautifully. So I'm just going to grate some nutmeg into this. Now, very quickly, I want to peel my apple while that's caramelising. Let's use half an apple. You know, you go to the fair and you get toffee apple, which is all coloured red and stuff like that, and you get a whole apple. I'm just doing slices because I think presentation-wise, that's the way to do it. Now we're there. What I'm trying to do is get this apple to be covered by this lovely sort of golden syrupy sugar, and I need it to set hard. So can you see what's happening to this apple already? The heat of this sugar is cooking the apple. See, the apple is actually bubbling away now. The apple is cooking. Okay, this rice pudding, you can see, has got a sheen or a lustre. Watch what happens when I put the sugar in. 1 spoon, instantly. Can you see the shine? Can you see it start to shine differently? I'm just going to take the white off this egg and just look at this egg yolk. Fantastic. And just drop it straight in. And this is as I serve rice pudding. Rich, luscious. It does actually taste quite decadent. So look, let's just get these apples. Look at that. Get under there. As simple as this might seem or sound, this is toffee apples at their best. I haven't tasted rice pudding for years, and I haven't made this dish for about 10 years, so toffee apples and rice pudding.
It's really nice. I do agree that the caramel and the on the apples is really nice. It actually sets it off.
That's really good. It's really nice, actually.
The caramelised apple. But it's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's definitely a next generation rice pudding. That's good.
So that was my market version of Britain's a very simple rice pudding dish.